Hi all, welcome to BIAS Academy. IAS interview guidance, tips and strategy. Video class number 2, that is think like a civil servant. Okay, so real situation is providing shelter to the poor and old people. In today's newspaper, there was an article in the newspaper that municipal corporation employees are providing shelter to old people. Here on the right hand side, you can see the municipal commissioner Prasanna Venkatesh interacting with poor old elderly people in Vijayawada on Sunday. Okay. So here, so in your interview, they might ask you a question like, what would you do if you are the municipal commissioner? Or it might be helpful for your mains as well when you're writing answers like how to approach a particular situation. It might mean your ethics or other GS papers. So what is the situation here? Due to socio-economic reasons, many elderly people are neglected and abandoned by the family. Particularly, they are abandoned by the children. These helpless elderly people, both men and women, are seen in city bus shelters, tunnels or pavements, or near the RTC bus stations or parks or other public places. On a day-to-day life, we also come across these kind of situations as well. So here the question is, if you are the municipal commissioner, what would you do in this situation? So what should be the approach plan? Step 1. Check whether there are any old age homes under the municipal administration. Discuss with your municipal corporation employee association to set up an old age home to provide shelter if there are no old age homes. So encourage or motivate your employee association, that is municipal corporation employee association, to set up an old age home. That is step 1. Step 2. Collect proper information about these hopeless poor people to provide shelter in the old age home. Like how many number of people are there, what is the capacity of your old age home, all these things you have to keep in mind. Third step, encourage your staff to speak with old poor people and ensure that your staff understands the pathetic state, and also they have to identify the right beneficiary. Okay, the fourth step, as a municipal commissioner, you personally should speak to the destitute old people in the city, understand the situation, and then send them to the old age home. That is step 4. What is step 1? Check whether you have any old age homes under your administration, under your corporation, or talk with your municipal corporation employee associations to set up an old age home. Step 3, collect proper information. Step 4, encourage your staff to talk with the destitutes and identify the right beneficiaries. Step 4, you have to speak personally with the destitutes, right? So the next step is step 5. What would you do here? Ensure that the municipal corporation's medical and health department officials conduct health checkup. So before taking the old age people into your home, you have to check their health status, so that if they have any communicable, non-communicable diseases, what are the precautions to be taken, what are the remedies to be taken, all these things. You also make sure that you visit some of the areas in the city and observe how the work is going on. Okay, step 6. And then send the old age people into the shelter homes, inaugurate it with, and you interact with the inmates. Step 7. Publish your contact information or the old age home's contact information. Set up a landline, mobile or a WhatsApp number. For what? For citizens to give information about the destitutes living on pavements, bus shelters or parks or any other places. Normally, if people are aware that there are some certain old age homes under the municipal administration, they will definitely call if they see any destitute person in the bus shelter or bus stands or anywhere. Next step, that is step 8. After setting up the old age home, encourage donors to donate rice, provisions, dry ration or vegetables, or encourage them to contribute their time. Discourage money donations to avoid misuse of funds. This is how you approach a situation, right? Thank you for listening to this lecture. If you have any doubts, queries, or if you need any help for your preparation, you can contact us or mail us to biasacademy@gmail.com. And good luck with your preparation.